suppose f is a real value function define a set of real numbers. F is differentiable. F of 3 is equals to 2, and f prime is between 3 and 4 for all x. Then it must be that f of phi lies in the following interval. So slope is between 3 and 4, right? So you're starting from the point at point 3, your value is 2. Okay, you have to find the value at 5. Okay, so slope is 3 से 4 के बीच में. Minimum value of slope is 3. So when the minimum value is 3, the maximum gain that you can make in 2 units. Okay, so if you change your x by 2 units, delta x is equals to 2. This implies that delta y min, the minimum amount of change in y should be equal to 6, because the minimum slope can be 6, and the maximum amount that you can change your y by is 4 into 2. Okay, because slope is 4. 4 times delta x is 8. Okay, so minimum it should change by 6, maximum it should change by 8. It cannot do anything in between these two values. So 2 में 6 add कर दो, so that becomes 8, and 2 में 8 add कर दो, that becomes 10. So the possible values here have to be between 8 and 10. So this is if the slope has a constant slope of 3. This is if the slope is constantly 4. Okay,
तो
इसके
इसमें कौन
so
सी थ्योरम यूज हो रही है?
इसमें एक्चुअली इसमें यूज हो रहा है मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. ठीक है, सो इफ आई टेक एनी, so if you take f of x less than 8, sorry, if you take f of phi less than 8, then you will get that f of phi is less than 8, let's say 7. Okay, and you know that f of 2 is equals to 3, sorry, f of 3 is equals to 2. ठीक है, सो मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम क्या बोलेगा कि इन दोनों के बीच में एक पॉइंट होना चाहिए, कम से कम एक पॉइंट होना चाहिए जहां पे f प्राइम वैल्यू विल बी 7 minus 2 upon 5 minus 3, so that is 2.5, but 2.5 is not allowed because the minimum slope has to be 3. Similarly, f of phi की वैल्यू 7, 8, 10 से ऊपर ले लो, let's say f of phi equals to 12. So in that case you will get that f prime should be equal to 12 minus 2, that is 10, upon 5 minus 3, so that is 2, so that should be equal to 5. So at least एक point पे f prime की value 5 होनी चाहिए, but this statement says that f prime should at max be 4, उससे ऊपर हो नहीं सकता. So that's why mean value theorem will say कि 5 कम से कम एक point पे होनी चाहिए, but this guy is saying कि f prime 5 से ऊपर 4 से ऊपर ही नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so by that logic you can reject anything that is less than 8 or greater than 10. Okay, it will be a violation of mean value theorem. Yeah, mean value theorem.